Hello, this is Raw Mama Lusi again from Raw Vegan Kitchen Inspiration, and today, because it's summer and it's really hot, we are going to be making a menu for these hot summer days. So it will be very juicy, it will be full of water, and it will be refreshing. So let's go for it. First thing first, we're going to start with the starter, and what we are going to need is a mixer, a blender. And we are going to make rolls from zucchini. So we need one larger zucchini, something like this. And then we are going to need cashew nuts for the filling and a beetroot. And who likes it spicy, it can add also wasabi, for example. It would be also a very good combination. And I have for better taste here nutritional yeast, smoked nutritional yeast. And I'm not gonna put any salt because I'm putting the tamari sauce, okay? So let's go for it. As you can see, you take the zucchini and you make a nice slice of a zucchini for the roll, like this. Yeah. For example. 3 we're gonna do, and now let's go. This is already ready, and now let's go for the filling. So we're gonna put in the blender very simply the cashew nuts and the beetroot. I'm gonna cut it, and oops, and I'm gonna put like a little bit of tamari sauce. This much, and a nutritional yeast, okay, a little bit of water, just a little bit, then I can add while I'm blending, and let's go blend it. Come and see the amazing color that happened. I was blending for about 40 seconds. And this is what we have. An amazing filling. It's amazing color, yeah? I love it. And now we're gonna fill it in these rolls. And put it like this. Look how simple it is. It's an amazing starter, and also your guess. I love it. As I said, who likes it spicy, it can add some wasabi. You put it like this. And then we're gonna roll it. It's very nutritional also. We're gonna add also here some extra dip. Nice for serving. Over, yeah, and I'm just gonna roll it, and it's very simple. Okay, some of it will go away, but it will stay. It will stay together. As you can see, it looks amazing, it tastes amazing, it's nutritious, it has everything inside, it has healthy fat and protein, all of this stuff. Gotta fill it, and here we go. An amazing starter. Next thing, and the main course, will be something very amazing, and it's not only a recipe, but it's also inspirational business idea for open a special pizzeria, because we are going to make pizza from melon. You see, and so it's very hydrating, it's funny, it's tasty, and it's very simple, and in a few seconds you're gonna see. So I'm just gonna cut the slice of the melon, watermelon, like a corpus of the pizza. You see, very simple. I'm gonna add this limit. Bringing lemon or limit on the melon is good anyway, so it gives it a totally different taste and you're gonna love it. And I'm gonna add some things on pizza. You know that watermelon is also substituting meat if you bake it, so you can actually make marinate it and bake it and make nice meat out of it. If like option of tuna, for example, it looks like. So even the dry melon looks very strange. It looks like a ham. So you can really, if you, for example, if you dry this piece of melon, you really make it kind of like pizza. So it's really not a bad business idea. We're gonna add some blueberries, and here I have some nice strawberry as well. Children's gonna love it. We can make this beautiful melon pizza, make more of them. And I'm just gonna add some mint on it. Oh, melon pizza. We can be serving. Looks amazing, tastes amazing, it's hydrating, and it's the main course. So here we have a dessert, which is going to be almost something like an ice cream. It's going to be cheesecake, and I'm going to put it in a glass, and then the glass I'm going to put in the fridge, and I'm going to let it freeze. So it's going to be kind of like an ice cream. And we're going to use some of these ingredients. You need cashew nuts that are soaked. By the way, in the previous recipe, I also forgot to say that they have to be soaked at least 4 hours. So they are smoother. So for the cheesecake, we're gonna use these cashew nuts, like 1.5 juicy lemon, vanilla extract. Here I have coconut oil, but it's optional if you don't like it oily, but it's gonna make it like more tough in the fridge, and agave syrup, some raspberry for decoration. And what's gonna be here under, I'm gonna use this small blender, and I'm gonna blend pecan nuts. And these are medjool dates. So I'm gonna take these medjool dates, like 3 of them, and all of those nuts. I'm gonna put it here in the glass where I'm blending. And clean the medjool and put them aside. You can also use some other dates, but those soft ones are really the best ones to make this recipe. Okay, it's not in there. And I'm gonna blend it. There are some big pieces left, but it doesn't matter. And I'm gonna put it in a glass. Like this. Okay. I'll add some more. Rest. I really tried not to mess up the glass, but that didn't work. Never mind, it's gonna be amazing. It's very nutritional again, and caloric, and the whole menu is amazing. And now we're going to make the cheesecake filling. Also, again, we're going to use this bigger blender. I'm gonna put there the soaked cashew nuts and the juice from lemons. I'm gonna juice it like this. 1.5 lemon, because we wanted to have a cheesecake, you know, so this is gonna add to it. Another one. And agave syrup, according to your taste. A little bit of vanilla extract. Okay, and approximately 2 spoons of oil, coconut oil, which is optional, as I said. Who doesn't like it oily? A little bit of water, let's go blend it. So this is how it ended up. Absolutely creamy, as you can see, as a real cheesecake. So we're just gonna add it here in the glass. By the way, this is cheesecake like for 2 person, yeah? Especially if you're not used to raw vegan diet. And I'm just gonna add some raspberries, make it nice, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge so that it gets a little bit harder. Okay. Cheesecake, say cheese. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the whole menu that we made today. It is cheesecake, raw vegan rolls with beetroot and cashew dip, and melon pizza. So this is a menu to the hot days. I hope you enjoyed and it was inspiring for you. The whole menu is absolutely nutritionally well done for you to feel full for the rest of the day. And I'll be looking forward in the next episode. Bye!